you gotta pull the chains.
What are we about to do?
Test out the ceiling fan to play a new one up there. Vivian's room and my room right there.
Here, you show it. You video. You take over and tell us when to turn it on. Give us a count.
1, 2,
You gotta
3,
pull the chains.
4.
Go ahead, flip it on. Oh, the chains are off. Yeah, go ahead. This is high, which is a good way to test it out.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's not wobbling. The tassels are moving from the wind. Oh my gosh, that pumps out a little air there. For an inexpensive fan. Ooh, that feels good.
What do you think, buddy?
That feels real good.
Do you think it feels good? Yeah.
I'm gonna check something. Oh yeah, it's smooth. You put your hand right here, you don't feel hardly any vibration.
Yeah,
at all.
usually the ones that are flush
Real
mounted
smooth.
like that don't wobble. It's your other ones that are gonna wobble more.
Be real careful there.
What you want to do? Feel the wind off of it? Yeah, it feels good. You stand right here, Chuck? Stand right here. Feel that wind. Feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yuck.
That's not.
Get
Well,
on-
that's going to be good for you guys at nighttime.
Get on the first step of the ladder.
No, you don't want to do that. All right, you're filming the wall. You got to look at what you're doing here. That's the ceiling fan. There you go. You want me to go to a lower setting?
Yep.
And we go to a lower setting, and then we'll.
It only has.
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, hang on, ready? Okay. Now you climb this one right here. The nearest
Just
one.
watch your
Give
hand.
it one pull. Now that's medium.
It looks faster than high.
No, it's slowing down.
I'm slowing down. Okay, so there's your medium speed. Still feels really good. A combination of this fan blowing the air across and then this circulating it right where I'm standing, it feels like I'm by a freezer. It's awesome. All right, pull it again for slow speed.
Put it.
Are you filming the fan or what are you filming there? You're not even looking at what you're doing. Film the fan.
Now it's going to get slower again.
And
Yeah.
this is low.
Keep filming the fan. And we're going to do spin down, your favorite thing.
Yep. That is low, Vivian.
Okay, you ready for off?
You can like see everything.
Okay, pull the chain again and let's see what it does.
Spin down. Spin down. Let's wait
Move it.
until it stops.
Okay, get the fan, not the back of Vivi's head.
Well, she's kind of in the way.
Well, no, he had her like completely in there for a minute. There we go.
There you go.
Good job.
Here comes the spin down.
You guys are getting it.
And it's almost done. 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to go 15,
Oh, yeah.
14,
15,
13,
16,
12, 11, 10,
9, 8,
42,
7,
38,
6,
5,
5,
4,
3,
3, 2,
negative 0, 1.
Wow, we're still off on that one. Dang it.
This one takes ages.
That one's got some good bearings in it.
I'm gonna just go.
don't
already.
That fan's pretty
Bye
smooth.
bye, Vivian.
Yeah, it is.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for having
Thank
us
you, hon.
up. Good job. Very good job. Good work, Daddy and Uncle.
Thank you.
Yeah, we conquered that
Oh, let's see if we can.
that atrocious wiring job.
You
We
ready?
fixed it. There we go.
Watch this. Oh my goodness.
All the power's off. It's still rotating.
It could be because that little fan's going. I don't know.
So what setting do you want me to leave it on for now?
I'd put it on medium. Would
You want
be my
medium?
choice. You want medium? Medium's a good one.
Here's high.
I would, whoa.
Well, let's try medium. Let's see what you think of that. Actually, high is not too bad. You done with your video? We'll go ahead and turn it off.
Hit stop.